This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next episode of Mini Lock Monday. Today's wheel has 11 locks on it. I'll spin the wheel, and I will pick whichever lock the wheel chooses. Here we go. Looks like today's lock is going to be number 3, the Master Lock Black 40mm. On with the picking. All right, let's see if we can't give this a quick pick. Okay, that was a bit quicker than I expected. Alrighty, opened. Tune in next Monday for the next lock the wheel picks. As always, thank you for watching, and if you are a subscriber, thank you. If you're not yet a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications and all, and hit like on the video. And thank you for watching.